In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a spreadsheet into Trello. By the end, you'll know how to enable the right power-up and where to start the import so your spreadsheet turns into organized Trello cards. First, open Trello and head to your boards page. This is your starting hub for everything you'll do next. If you're beginning fresh, you can create a new board so your import lands in a dedicated space. If you already have a board where you want your data to go, simply open that board instead. Either path works, just make sure you're on the board where you want the imported cards to appear. On your board, open the Power-Ups menu. This is where Trello lets you extend your board's capabilities. Choose Add Power-Ups to browse the directory. You can scroll through categories if you want to explore, but the fastest route is to use the search bar. In the search field, type Import to Trello. This power-up is designed to bring spreadsheet data into your board. When you see it in the results, click Add to attach it to your board. You'll likely be asked to confirm by clicking Add Again. Go ahead and enable it. If your workspace has limits on the number of power-ups, you may need to disable another one first. Also note that certain features and usage caps can vary depending on your Trello plan. Once the power-up is added, open a card on your board and look for the import option that the power-up provides there. That button is your entry point to bring in your spreadsheet. If you don't see it immediately, refresh your browser or check that the power-up shows as enabled in your board's power-ups list. Before you import, a quick tip. Spreadsheets that are clean and consistent import best. Use a header row for your columns, keep column names simple and descriptive, and avoid merged cells. CSV files are commonly supported and tend to be the most reliable. When you begin the import, the interface will guide you through selecting your file and setting how your data should appear as cards and fields on the board. And that's it. You opened your board, enabled the import to Trello Power-Up, and accessed the import option from a card to bring your spreadsheet in. With your data now in Trello, you can start organizing, adding labels, due dates, and assignees to turn raw rows into actionable work. If anything looks off, revisit your spreadsheet headers, adjust them, and run the import again for a cleaner result.